Hello, good evening, everyone. Okay, 卓先生, Sunview, Lee Hen, no problem. Okay, BRKB, okay. So it's a US Warren Buffett punya company, right? So another Andy Fong, okay. UWC VSYTL, no problem. From Anthony, SKP Resources, ROCE Cap Harrison. Okay, like and share. Thank you. Hello, Patrick. How are you? Good evening. Okay, Yongxing. Okay, HSI Index, Ma Xing. Okay, no problem. Thank you very much. Okay, so yeah, need your help to share, like this video lah. Okay, because we need more viewers to tune in. Okay, and also during current market sentiment for me is quite boring lah. So I think lesser people. So this month can rest. I think it's still alright, not too bad. Just that, I expect should be more on boring month lah. Okay, maybe more volatile lah. Okay, but not until we're crashing down lah. Okay, at the moment lah. Okay, Dofu Eco Shop. Okay, so let's warm up with the US market. Okay, US market, oil, gold, cryptocurrency, and FBMK LCI. Follow with the stocks Q&A. Let me know the stock you want me to review and your plan, whether you're looking for support or resistance. And disclaimer, all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or just for education purposes. Okay, I think when market drop enough and you think these counters is worth for investment, I think it's very good for you to take this opportunity. On the other hand, okay, for trading, yes, maybe trading you need rest lah, because don't have much choices or very solid setup lah. Okay, this is what I think lah. Okay, so far for US side, okay, actually they also not really going anywhere. Okay, especially for the Dow Jones. Okay, as you can see, these few weeks, this is a daily chart lah. Okay, you can see actually market is just going sideways lah. Okay. They also don't have much direction, okay, until they have a strong price action to break up or break down only. Okay, so tentatively what I see, okay, even though Monday, Tuesday market go up, but not really a strong market lah. Okay, so I guess market is more on the sideways movement. Okay, not really have a direction. That's why Bursa also macam indecisive lah macam ini. Okay, and how about the S&P? Okay, S&P last night, indeed, they do have a little breakout, but for me, I assume they are still within the sideways zone only lah. Okay, unless tonight they can go above 6,000. Okay, then maybe we may see some rally up. Okay, otherwise, I think market most likely will continue sideways. Okay, this is what I think on the overall market sentiment. Okay, but for the Nasdaq, last night they do have a more clearer breakout. Okay, they break above 21.5k. Okay, so take note 21.5k. So long the price stay above, maybe they do have potential to pull up further. Okay, for the tech counters lah. So maybe tech, but our market all macam sama juga. But for the US market, at least we can see the Nasdaq macam stronger lah. Okay, macam stronger if compared with the S&P or the Dow Jones. Okay, so long they are above 21.5k, okay, then they do have potential to revisit 22k. Okay, this is a Nasdaq lah. Okay, how about the oil price? Okay, oil price, they are still in ranging. Okay, they are still in the sideways zone. But what I think, they already been in this zone for about, you see, since April until now, about 2 months already. So I guess they are no longer that bearish. Okay, they do have potential to make a comeback. Okay, I need a confirmation maybe break above $65-67. Okay, this is a WTI lah. If they are able to break through, I think they do have a opportunity to pump out further. Okay, so maybe the big funds they are accumulating around here lah. Okay, this is what I think lah. Because short term looks like a little bit momentum already. But I need a confirmation break above $65 to $67, then maybe they will have a bigger move, maybe to $80 also possible. Okay, this is the oil price. At least I think they are no longer that bearish, but I need a confirmation. Okay, so how about the gold price? Okay, gold price also in a range. Okay, if you can see, gold already trading within 3002 to 3004. Okay, since mid April until now. Okay, still in the sideways zone. Okay, so I would say the trend overall they are still very strong, and for them to have a further upside, they need to break above 3424. Okay, once they can break up above this level, gold may have chance to rally up further. Okay, and their important support is a 3002 now lah. Okay, if they broken down below 3002, then we may see a deeper correction on the gold price. And how about the Bitcoin? Okay, Bitcoin they okay, previously they do break above the all-time high lah. So resistance turn support, but recently they break down below lah. So I think Bitcoin tentatively will continue go sideways, and yeah, understandable lah. They already rally up for so long and so high already. Okay, if they can go sideways and build up a strong support or range zone, I think they do have chance to create another all-time high. Okay, and how about this is what Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum, they are still struggle, okay, to break through 2007. Okay, but what I think is based on the momentum, the low is getting higher lah. So they do have potential to break. I also need a confirmation for them to break through 2007. Okay, once they can clear 2007, next target 3000 first lah, about 10% range. Okay, so after this, let's go for our FBM KLCI. Our KLCI is very weak. Okay, previously I do mention their important level is a 1540, 1530 must hold. Okay, but they broke down already lah. So the next level 1515 also broken down, and now they are at the psychology level 1005. Okay, if they break down, the media will say, oh, KLCI break below 1005, then the fearful sentiment will come in. Okay, so maybe they will try to defend 1005 lah, and hopefully they can stay above 1005 lah. But if we base on the momentum point of view, they are very weak. Okay, because the price currently is below all moving averages. So even with a bounce up, I also think they do have potential to further sell down. Okay, so 1005 is a very crucial level for KLCI. Okay, if they break down, next level maybe 1472 or 1460. Okay, momentum actually all not so good lah. Okay, so hopefully the rescue team, okay, will try to defend 1005 lah. If not, we may see more downside, probably to 1472 or 1460. Okay, let's go for our stocks Q&A. Okay, so need your help, especially from the Facebook. Okay, need your help to share around. Okay, or recently lesser people to use Facebook already. Okay. Okay, so let's review our first counters is a Sunview. Hey, interesting. Volume improve. Okay, this Sunview if we zoom out, actually is a downtrending counters, right? Since 2023. Okay, so means the whole 2024 also not doing that well. Okay, June got rebound, tapi feel lah, August sell down. Okay, until now. Okay, what interesting is I think I also mentioned before, due to the volumes lah. Okay, the volume they do improve. Okay, just that the price action not really move. Okay, not really move. But if you notice today and Monday, okay, the volume actually not too bad leh. The other volume, just that they don't want jalan only lah. Okay, for them to jalan they need to break through a 40 cents level lah. So I need to draw a new support for them lah. Okay, 385. Okay, I close 385. I put 370 and 360 as the important support. So tentatively, what we can see on the box here, they have been sideways within this box since April until June, and the volume improved. Okay, overall the structure, the potential bottoming is there. Okay, just that they need a breakout. Okay, breakout where? 40 cents lah. Okay, because 40 cents is the 100 MA resistance. Okay, once they can clear up with volumes, maybe we can trade this as a sideways breakout, and maybe the next level is a 200 MAs. Okay, which is currently around 440. So this one pending for the BO. Okay, if you jump in, maybe you need more time lah. Maybe they will sideway for another couple of weeks or months. Okay, just like here. Okay, since April, they sideway until now, June already, sideway 2 months already. If you think you can tahan this kind of sideway or holding period, then you can try. Okay, or if you don't want to wait, okay, then you wait for the breakout lah. Then you baru plan for the entry. Okay, so this one I think, yeah, worth to KIV lah. Worth to put in your watch list and monitor and learn lah. Okay, what is this? Lihen. Wah, big trend tak boleh big trend 2020 November peak 2024 not really peak. Okay, the peak is not really that high, then they sudah collapse lah. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, break 695. Not so good yet leh. Okay, this one is based on the bigger pictures lah. The strong support would be, I would say, would be the 40 cents is a very crucial level for the Lihen. Okay, let's zoom in and see all the recent performance. Hammer here, okay, April, so 435. So they have a gap up. So far, they yet to fill the gap here. So I would say 445, 435 is a crucial support for this 2 months period lah. So how about this happen? Okay, Wednesday, okay, 28th of May, they have an open gap out, close row, high volume, okay, but the price didn't sell down. Seems like, okay, recent support is a 480 level. Okay, so I would put 480 as a crucial level tentatively. Okay, if they break down, I would say the short-term momentum not so good. Okay, if they can stay, okay, maybe short-term still got chance. Okay, means in the 1 or 2 weeks time still got chance. But if they break down 480, then semua tak cantik already lah. Okay, even they can go up, we also need to take care of the gap. Okay, due to they have a gap down, right? So if they wanted to fill the gap, next level is a 525 level. Okay, so tentatively what I see, all are just a short-term opportunity lah. Okay, short-term opportunity. Okay, once below 480 tak begitu cantik already. Okay, so how about BRKB? Okay, so I seldom to see these counters lah. Okay, this is a Warren Buffett punya B. Okay, they have a A and B lah, right? A, if not mistaken, is quite expensive. Okay, as in the price lah. Okay, so based on the bigger trend point of view, this counters long-term uptrend lah. So where is the opportunity? Okay, when they at the 200 MAs or below 200 MAs. Okay, but you can see since 2022, end of 2022 or 2023 onwards lah, the opportunity is when they hit 200 MAs. Right? Okay, currently approaching lah. Okay, currently approaching. So based on current performance, indeed, technical point of view, okay, they looks like a little bit topish. Okay, short-term momentum getting weaker. So what I think is, they might come back to retest a 200 MAs. Okay, so short-term momentum, of course, is weak lah. Okay, so the should be somewhere around 480 already. Okay, if we base on a technical, resistance, turn support, ngam 200 MAs is a 480. Okay, I don't know Warren Buffett will angry or not lah. I use technical to read his chart. Okay, so I don't think this is a trader counters. This is more investor counters. From here, I would say the support zone fall within. Okay, 465 to 480. Okay, so come back to Malaysia counters. UWC. Wow, no good leh. Belum bite. Okay, belum bite. So what we can see on this UWC, I think previous week when I reviewed crucial level 199. Okay, broken down. Tapa. Okay, yesterday broken down 185. So Even though today not much volume, but I haven't see or haven't detect a buyer with volumes come back. Okay, I need a bullish candle with volumes. Okay, with volumes. At least this will more convince me that okay, let's join the boat. Okay, at the moment I see pure seller come out only. Okay, macam inilah. At least we wait for something. Okay, even with cut loss, we also admit the losses. Okay, because at least we follow the signal to going. Okay, at the moment I haven't see any solid signal for us to let's plan for something. Okay, at the moment I see only seller lah. So maybe maybe they want to press as low as possible to force everyone out first, then the buyer only come in. Okay, maybe okay. At the moment I see nothing yet, so they might come down as low as maybe 165 or 150. Okay, another criteria is maybe wait for something to go back above 2 ringgit. Okay, if they have a strong price action, go back above 2 ringgit, baru join the trend now. Okay, otherwise we don't know where is the low yet. Okay, so for me it's weak lah, still very weak. Not nice lah, technical very very ugly. Macam inilah at least macam this VS. Okay, even though they don't have much volumes. Okay, but at least they macam yesterday breakdown but today they try to go up above 795, closing 80 cents. Okay, at least this show that at least some buyer try to support the price. Okay, if we based on the candlestick pattern, this is a bullish harami. Okay, a red candle follow with a green candle. Okay, this is a bullish harami. Okay, but of course if they have a higher volume, then the success rate would be better. Okay, if both candle combine together, this would be a hammer already lah. So a confirmation is hopefully tomorrow they can go back above 815 lah. Okay, if happen they can go above 815, would be good for them. Okay, the momentum or the structure will looks better. Okay, but even though with this signal, things also can go wrong, right? So if tomorrow go back below 795, okay, go below 795, I think tak begitu strong lah. If go below 795, okay, so hopefully tomorrow they can go up at least. Try to go to 815 and above. Okay, best if they have volumes. Okay, so this one I will say slight better. Okay, slight better than UWC. Okay, how about the YTL? This one at least bullish candle right? So macam ini, okay, what we can see, YTL already sell down for so many days. Okay, they sideways. Okay, they push up. Volume not so convincing, but I will say at least looks better lah. Okay, looks better. Okay, by zooming out, at least we can see what happened with this YTL. Okay, all this they quite like around this zone. Okay, although this time they didn't hit 175 or 170, but at least also close already. So you can see this one since last year until now. So far, every time they visit this zone, they will bounce up. This zone, okay, even they have bounced up, but not really go that far lah. This one go far a bit, come back again. So at least this more convincing that the selling pressure is slowing down. Okay, even though they haven't show a very bullish signal. Okay, but at least this one I would say looks okay. Okay, looks okay, better than the first one, UWC. Okay, so this one, maybe they need some time as well, but at least they currently at the support zone and very clear cut. So long they are above 175, we can say this is a potential bottom. Okay, so long above 175, everything we need to have a exit plan. No 100%. So how about the SKP resources? So far so good. Okay, so far so good as in they not really sell down. Okay, the price is still sideways. Okay, so what we can see for these SKP resources. Okay, since April, they bounce up a lot to 105. They gonna sell down, then they sideways. Okay, despite on the market sentiment. Okay, so many hoo-ha. Okay, they just go sideways lah. Not really going up or downs. Okay, so based on the smaller support resistance, we can say is a 960 is a support. S1, 90 cents. S2. Okay, if happen below 90 cents, tak cantik already. Very ugly already. Okay, how about the resistance? Okay, they need to break through 1 ringgit. Okay, they baru ada brighter future, and 105 would be your S2. Sorry, R2. Okay, so yeah, hopefully they can stay above 960 lah. Below 960, you need to prepare already. Not so nice already. Okay, so they are still in a sideways. Maybe market sentiment like that. No reason for them to push up as well lah. Okay, how about the RCE cap? Also, okay lah. Yesterday breakdown. Okay, yesterday break below 125. Today try to go back above. Okay, at least the buyer try to come back lah. Okay, volume wise, yesterday and today I would say okay, not too bad. Okay, okay lah, boleh tahan lah. So based on here, maybe support I will put at the 123. Okay, so 123 would be your support one. Okay, 123, 118. Okay, S1, S2, and your resistance 130, 135. Okay, due to these counters, they are still in a downtrend. Okay, so what we put hope, we put the hope at here low. Okay, we hope that 123, 118 can get supported. Okay, if they break down, they will have more downside. Okay, so now what we can see, this structure is a potential maybe accumulation. Okay, but if they break down, this would be a distribution. Okay, so hopefully this is a accumulation. Okay, and for them to make a comeback, they need to break 135 lah minimum. Okay, then baru got chance to go up higher. Okay, I put 130 as your resistance one due to this 2050 MA. Okay, but overall bearish. Okay, downtrend. Okay, you are against the trend now. Okay, how about this Harrison? Okay, this Harrison I think last time I do mention before, they are quite illiquid. Okay, means no people inside lah. Okay, they suddenly do everything already lah. Okay, that's why the chart you can see is very illiquid. If you see the buy sell queue, you also can expect maybe you want to buy more. You need to buy few bit up. Okay, when you want to throw, you will throw few bit down. Okay, most likely like that lah. Okay, so this one I would say they are in a downtrend already. Okay, since last year August, they already in the downtrend. So this counter, yeah, now they are in the downtrend. Okay, how about the resistance? 155, 150, R1, R2. And how about the support? Very weak support, I put a 140 first lah. Okay, the next one will be a 125 level already though. This one, very depending on how they want to draw the chart lah actually. Okay, if you look at the shorter term, the support will be 135, 140, 155, 150. Okay, they are still in the range. If they break down, then we'll have more downside. But overall, tak begitu cantik lah. Okay, review HSI. Okay, let's go to the Hang Seng Index. Okay, Hang Seng Index, I would say they are still strong. Okay, so you can see they already up for so many weeks. Okay, if you look at the date, they up since okay, when market have a bottom during April time, they already up until now. So today is already June. They already up for about 2 months already. So they sideways. Okay, stress test, bounce up. Okay, I would say they are still pretty strong. I think previously I do mention before 23k, 22.5k. Okay, 23 to 2.5. Okay, this is a crucial support zone for the Hang Seng Index in order for them to hold up for the short-term momentum. Okay, if they break down below 22500, overall structure momentum will be weak. Okay, at the moment I would say they are still in a good shape. Okay, just that take note on the resistant lah, okay, especially when the price near 24k, okay. And don't forget, okay, this Friday I think the Trump and Xi maybe they will talk on the phone, okay. Maybe market will have some volatility, or maybe, okay, suddenly got something happen, U-turn, okay. This might change the overall bias, okay. So this one chart cannot read already lah. Okay, so how about the Masing? Okay, Masing ever since they break down below 112 tak cantik already lah. Okay, now they are at the last hope 1 ringgit level. Okay, not nice already lah. To be honest, okay, maybe market due to oversold, also near 1 ringgit. Okay, they do bounce up a little bit lah to 107. Okay, even they can bounce up, you also need to take note on your resistance 112, 115. Okay. So if we base on the April punya sentiment, April they do bottom at 1 ringgit, bounce up, not able to clear, come back down, then continue to go up. Okay, this time the pattern is quite similar lah. They also break down near 1 ringgit, bounce up. Okay, also now break down, bounce up. So maybe they will revisit here, retrace again. Okay, if they can get supported well, they will try again. If they can break above 115, maybe got chance to revisit 1-2 something. Okay, so let's see. But overall, I would say it's quite weak lah. Okay, even bounce out, you take note 112, 115 like that lah. Yeah, this month can rest. Okay, for trader, especially active traders, those day trader, memang can rest lah. Okay. But for those investors, still okay, you can look for opportunity. For those swing trader, maybe once a while you can open your chart and see any stocks swing to the ideal level lah. Okay, for day trader, I think memang can rest up because the volume not really. I mean the trend is not with us. No point to burn your money lah. Okay, so for Doufu, unfortunately, okay, they break down below 115. Sorry, they broken down below 118. Okay, tak cantik loh. Okay, if happen, okay, if they can get supported above 118, still cantik punya. Okay, still ada chance punya, but they break down already. Okay, this one sometimes people can say is a bullish harami can. Okay, but for me it's not so convinced lah. Okay, so I would say not so nice already, but if you're still interested, take note on today's low 114. If they continue close below, then memang tak cantik lah. Okay, hopefully by tomorrow they can bounce up to minimum 118, maybe still okay, but technically I would say not so nice. Okay, but due to today they have a dodgy candle, hopefully they can stay 114 and above lah. Go above, go to 118, and then maybe got a higher chance to come back. Okay, if they continue break down, close 114 below, okay, close below tak cantik loh. Tak cantik. Okay, how about the Eco Shop? Okay, quite a new counters. Eco Shop Marketing Berhad. Okay, first day. Open gap up, close lower, high volume. Okay, wash down, now come back. Okay, so I will assume this high volume is a very crucial zone. Okay, and because here don't have much transaction. Okay, for me not important, but here they have a most transaction. Okay, so whoever bought, because someone buy, someone sell, right? That's why they have a transacted. Okay, so means must be somebody bought at 120 until 125 lah. Okay, so hopefully this is a holder lah. They can hold the price lah. Okay, so Monday we can see a buyer push up. Okay, with volumes. Okay, so for me, okay, seems like okay they memang want to try to defend a 120 level. Okay, yesterday neutral lah, not much volume. Today also not much volume. So I assume moving forward they might go sideways macam ini. if they break below 120, tak cantik lah. We need to be careful sikit. Okay, I will put one more bit lower due to they have a volume pump out on, last Friday. Oh, sorry Monday no market I baru remember. Okay, Friday they have a high volume right? So 119. Okay, means so long these counters the closing price is above 119, maybe still alright. But if they close below, tak cantik lah. Okay, Petronas Chemical. Oh yo, disappointed leh. Okay, Petronas Chemical. Okay, ever since they broke below 350, tak begitu cantik lah. Even they bounce out, also no strength, continue sell down. Okay, today they break below 325, closing 324. Okay, so for me, Petronas Chemical is still not in a very ideal shape yet. So still can wait lah until a clearer signal. Okay, if they don't recover above 325, the next support would be somewhere around 308 to 3 ringgit level. Okay, how about the Infotech? Whoa, tak cantik leh. Abang tak boleh, okay? Masih tak boleh ni. Very bad shape. Okay, I still haven't see. Actually, this counter is quite in liquid as well. I feel macam nobody inside punya. Oh, maybe sendiri goreng saja. Okay, 640 Let me zoom out. 640 as your immediate support. But this one is still, you can see on the candlestick, it's quite in liquid. Okay, and your immediate support will be 640 lah. If they break down, next level could be 50 cents level leh. Okay, so this one, be careful dulu lah. Be careful dulu. We wait something happen first. Okay, what happened to Amor? Amor yesterday open gap up with high volumes. Okay, looks like, okay, at least this one you can see a positive signal lah. It's a gap up, even though it's not a very bullish candle or what. Okay, but they have a huge volumes. Okay, imagine this gap up from the Friday closing until yesterday closing. This is actually is a bullish candle like leh. Okay, just that they open gap out only lah. Okay, so with such a good volumes, I would say at least we can start look into it because the volumes is quite huge if compared with previous months. Okay, the last time they had such volume was I think beginning of this year lah. So maybe we can start looking into it. So technical, let me see anything. Technical 385. Okay, I would say quite interesting. Momentum, okay. Okay, I don't know what happened. Should be some good news lah. That's why they open gap up with such volumes. Everyone rushed to buy. So I assume maybe they will wash down to clear off those contra player, maybe to 40 cents or 385. Okay, if happen, they can come back somewhere around 385, 375. I think it's still 375 a bit over. 380, 385, I think is still worth to monitor. Okay, we let them watch the people. Okay, come back near 40 cents, 385, 380. Yeah, take note around there lah. We see any chance. Okay, as long as they not with a bearish candle, high volume. Okay, means the big buyer is still inside. Okay, if they slowly come down with low volumes, I think it's still alright. Okay, at least they are clearing off those contra player or weak holders out. Okay, this one maybe I'll put in a watch list or monitor first lah. Monitor first. Okay, how about the Ewin? Ewin still okay still okay Okay, actually last week memang tak cantik, okay, when they break down 320. But you can see the next 2 days they recovered 320 already. Okay, come back already. So I think they are still okay. Okay, the structure is still cantik. Okay, they push up, retrace, push up, retrace over. but they push up again. So I think it's still alright lah. If they go back below 320, then memang tak cantik lah. Okay, momentum wise they are still okay. Okay, how about the RSI? RSI pula, Asia Ply. Okay, okay, usually for me those how to say penny stocks especially below 20 cents one most indicator are consider meaningless for me lah. Okay, even RSI I also feel not really useful in Bursa market. Okay, it's more suitable on the volatile market like maybe forex indices, okay, or a more volatile active counters. Okay, otherwise for Bursa it's too slow and for me it's meaningless lah, not really useful. Okay, I more prefer for Bursa, I prefer volumes and the price action only. Okay, so based on what I see now, okay, at least, okay, previous week when we review Asia Ply, I keep comment, don't have volume, don't have volumes. Okay, but today at least, they have a slight price action comeback with slight higher volumes. Okay, for those penny stocks, usually you need to take note on the volumes. Okay, take note on the volumes. If they suddenly have a high volumes, at least it's a first signal come in already lah. Okay, if every day the volume is very low, not in the top 10, usually nothing on, okay, nothing much on lah. Okay, so this one, I would say so long they are above 140, maybe okay. Okay, I would see until 165 first. Okay, 165 because it's a recent resistance, 165, 175. Okay, I'll run out 2. EDEL. Oh, this one long time no see Oh, sama juga tak begitu cantik. Okay, due to yesterday got a strong breakdown lah. Strong breakdown below 240. But today what we can see here, like I said just now, is a bullish harami. Okay, bearish candle with a bullish candle. Okay, a confirmation needed to go above 240 lah. If happen tomorrow close above 240, then yeah, maybe boleh lah. Just that not much volumes lah. Okay, not much volumes, then the chart pattern usually the success rate will be lower lah. Okay, for instance, your immediate support I will put at a 220 level lah. Okay, technically memang tak cantik already lah, but yeah, hopefully they can stay above 220 lah. Okay, if breakdown memang lagi tak cantik already, they might go to 20 cents or 175. Okay, so hopefully tomorrow they can go back to 240 lah. ATAMS. Okay, ATAMS. Okay, they also have an open gap up on 29 May. Okay, open gap up, push up with high volumes. This one also quite similar with the Upmore. They also have a gap up, high volume, and you can see they also wash down. Okay, wash down, then tomorrow today have a slight volume improve. Okay, seems like this. Okay, seems like they try to support here. Okay, this one I feel interesting leh. Okay, interesting leh. So 270 hopefully, and 30 cents is your resistance. Okay, old drawing. Old drawing, let me delete. Okay, so what we can see, last week open gap up, push up. Okay, down they wash weak holder. Okay, you can see when they wash down, the seller is very thin. Okay, means whoever bought on this date with a high, maybe I can say is a bigger buyer still inside. Okay, in the game. So tentatively take note on the 270 lah. Okay, stay above. I think they do have potential. Okay, and for them to have a brighter future, they need to clear 30 cents. Okay, once they can clear 30 cents, then we may see some boom lah. Okay, maybe to 325 330 like that. Okay, but this also subject to market sentiment Okay, so 270 your immediate support, and crucial one I would say is a 225 lah. Below 225 memang no meaning already Yongtai. Okay, Yongtai still yet to break down 170, 180 lah. So yeah, they don't have much volumes lately. So you can see actually they are still in a sideways lah. Okay, so pending for the breakout above 20 cents. Okay, once they can clear 20 cents, 225, 230, yeah, they do have chance lah. Okay, so for those counters below 20 cents or 20 cent plus minus, okay, I would say those are penny stocks. Oh, volume is very important. Okay, if no volume, they don't have much momentum to push punya lah. Okay, so Yong Tai, okay, and okay, MN Holding. Okay, MN Holding. Okay, last week they already went to 140. Then some more break down below 125. Okay, this is a level I mentioned before, has to hold above 125 lah. If you have you need to set a trading stop if you in earlier. Okay, but if you just plan, okay, to find entry, okay, I would say I would prefer, if can I prefer they come back around 115 to 112. Okay, this zone will be more attractive to me. Okay, or wait for them to go back above 125, only plan for the entry. CPE Tech. Still okay lah. Not until no game. Okay, just that if you based on the trend, you can see they're not able to clear 760 only. Okay, and you can see when they push up, the volume is there. When they wash down, the volume is very low. So I think they are still alright. Okay, cannot break below 665 lah. Below 665, no game. Okay, below 665, no game. Okay, how about the Opstar? Not much volume yet. Okay, so okay, the only thing maybe we can take note is previously when they test 40 cents, they rebound leh. Okay, recently they sell down. Macam close to 40 cents already leh. Okay, current price is a 420 lah. So yeah, you agak-agak low. Okay, so long above 40 cents, maybe worth to try for the potential bottoming. Tapi if they close below 40 cents, cut loss. Okay, tak cantik already. Below 40 cents, tak cantik already. And I would say we are playing with the fire lah, because these counters you can see they are still so weak. You can see back in last year, they also tested here ma. So if you buy here, they break down, you need to cut loss lah. Okay, so you can see this year they also tested here. Okay, 40 cents already lah. If they break down, you need to cut loss. Otherwise, you can see they can go down so much. Okay, so we are against the trend. We are like try to guess a bottom lah. Okay, for that one. Okay, Yongtai for me is a high risk counter. So your sizing try to control lah. Don't buy too much like that lah. Later kena start susah lah. Okay, this one I would say so long they are above 170, 180, still okay. Just that I don't know how long they want to go sideways lah. Okay, for them to make a big move, they need to clear 20 cents level. Okay, so small size, but I'm not interested lah. Okay, Artec no chance they already broken down below 245. So rich tech become poor tech already. Okay, so tentatively, yeah, today due to they have a huge volume here lah. Okay, so what I want to see is whether in the next few days, whether the price able to stay above 210. If yes, maybe yes. Okay, if break down 210, no lah. Okay, for me it's weak, but yeah, due to the volumes, then we see whether they can stay above 210. Okay, how about these Peter Labs? Wow, see the chart, you also know what happened. Shooting star. Okay, very volatile on this date. Yesterday a bit dumb. Okay, although not much volume lah. Okay, if speaking about the chances, I would say the structure is still there, still intact, so long above 30 cents. Okay, above 30 cents, still okay. Even though personally not really like lah. Okay, how about the Great Tech? Oh, surprisingly, UWC so ugly. This one still okay, not too bad, I would say. Okay, at least they didn't break below 2050 MA. Okay, just that currently they are resisted by 100 MAs lah. So maybe they will just macam in here you can see they hit the green line, come back down. Now also they hit the green line, maybe they come back down, will ting tong macam ini. But I think it's still okay leh. Okay, looks better. So I would say as long as they are above 150, yeah, masih boleh lah. Okay, masih boleh lah. So yeah, of course current price is like a little bit resistant. Okay, so if happen they can come back down somewhere around 160. I think watchable lah. At least I like the structure lah. Why I put Great Tech and Great Tech and UWC is if not mistaken, both companies their IPO time is quite similar. Okay, that time I remember both macam together. A lot of people make money from their IPO lah. Okay, Gintech tak cantik already. Okay, they also broken down 1 ringgit. They also broken down 985. Okay, current price 955. So yeah, unless the next few days they can go back minimum above 985, baru ada story. Otherwise, tak cantik lah. AWC also tak cantik lah. Okay, what you can put the hope what you can put hope on AWC is the potential bottoming of 585. Okay, so if we zoom in, this was, okay, when was that? April. Okay, during April, they do supported well at 585. Then market pull up. So how about recently? This one high volume 30th of May. Okay, they have volume here. Okay. Okay, for me, your buy low is if you just want to like, okay, I just do a bounce out, then I cabut. Yeah, okay. With your cut loss lah, below 585, cut loss low. If your plan is like that, then okay. If your plan is okay, I want to buy low, then I hope that they go back very far, go back where 80 cents 1 ringgit, then not now yet. Okay, not now yet. But you can slowly do a trading stop up lah. Okay, but yeah, most importantly, they has to stay above 585. Okay, but technical speaking, the MACD also not really cooperative leh. Okay, the momentum also pointing down. This also indicate that your success rate is quite low. Okay, compare with here, you can see during this time, at least they have indicate that the selling pressure started to slow down. Okay, I think during this time was around here lah. Okay, but here you can see they're already going down. So if compared this time the chances of rebounding is lower. Okay, it's lower. Not say until no chance, but your success rate would be lower already lah. Okay, you need to prepare low. If you want to try, then you need to follow your cut loss point. Okay, how about the hibiscus? Actually, not much volume for hibiscus leh. I think if you refer back to the oil price, recently there also not much movement. So maybe this also reflect to the hibiscus price lah. Okay, they also macam lebih kurang the same. Also macam boring go sideways macam ini. So this you also need to wait for the oil price to shoot up. Then okay, oil price shoot up they baru boleh follow punya. Otherwise, no reason for them to shoot. Okay, if you interested with this one, okay, make sure the price is above 135 lah. Okay, so this one, yeah, for me maybe I will more interested to KIV this one lah. Okay, at least the MACD not too weak. Okay, not too weak. Okay, how about the YTL power? Okay, this one still alright leh, not too bad. Okay, even though they're not really able to break through the 200 MAs, gonna sell down, but the price still able to support it leh. 312 is supported. Volume tak berapa lah, but I think still okay lah this one. Okay, this one I think is still alright. Just that they back to the sideways zone only lah. Okay, so YTL and YTL power even though they don't have trend, but I think they are still okay lah. Okay, just that no trend only. Okay, you cannot make money in short term lah. But at least I think they are slowing down. No longer that bearish yet lah. Okay, how about Jaya Tiasa? Tak cantik lah. Yesterday breakdown, 115 breakdown 110 closing. Okay, today closing 108. So this one nothing. Okay, I would say tak cantik lah. Okay, at the moment tak cantik. Wow, seems like overrun a bit later. Okay, Cresdo I think is still alright. Okay, currently they are facing a resistance 130. Okay, take note your resistance there. But I would say they are still in a good shape lah. Still okay lah. Still okay. Okay, how about the MLCB AA lah? MLCB AA already. Okay, previously you can see when they are at the 200 MAs this is a place that at least take some profit. Okay, take partial profit. Okay, but if you don't want, do trading stop. Okay, never mind. 480 is your 50 cents. Below 50 cents, take profit, or below 480, take profit. Okay, do a trading stop because tak cantik already. So even though today is an open gap out, but I would say not so strong lah. Okay, MLCB tak begitu strong already lah. How about the clock point? Yeah, also tak cantik lah. Resisted by 200 MAs, continue sell down. Take note 690 loh. Okay, not so strong lah. B-Trans. They're not really going anywhere. 690 is your crucial support. Okay, how about the Malaoff? Hey, today got volumes leh. Okay, so what we can see, Malaoff, they has been sell down for so long already. Hey, today suddenly ada a bullish candle with volumes. Okay, so 765 has to hold. Then yeah, KIV lah this one. At least who dare to buy so much today? Okay, so we just KIV them. Okay, at least the buyer is quite huge compared with previous days. Okay, Gamuda is still alright lah. Okay, nothing much to worry. Okay, as you can see, these few weeks, even you ask me, I also no idea lah. Okay, they are just going sideways only lah. Okay, so for Gamuda to have a big move, they need to clear 475. But overall, it's still okay. I would say, technical point of view, it's still bullish lah. Okay, still cantik. Okay, maybe also need some news as a catalyst. They only can push further. Okay, Saipa also alright. Okay, Saipa recovered above 870. So the resistance turn support. Yeah, overall okay. So let me put Gamuda in our watch list. Saipa also lah. Okay, I would say at least this Saipa is above all moving averages. So but the movement I would say is quite bullish. You can see they push up like that, go sideways, push up like that, like a straight line. Very strong. So maybe moving forward they might go sideways macam ini lah. Okay, so yeah, doesn't mean it's bad lah. Okay, so let me, momentum is still alright. Let me delete those line from the bottom. Okay, so what I expect is maybe moving forward they might go sideways macam ini. Okay, so long they are above 830 should be alright. Okay, so yeah, this one okay lah. But they already push up for so many days. I expect they might sideways for a couple of days, maybe. LC Titan tak cantik already lah. Ever since they break down 550 tak cantik already. Recently, some more break below 50 cents. Tak cantik lah. Okay, how about the gas Malaysia? Let's go. Looking spot to wait. Okay. So for this gas Malaysia, as you can see, big trend, no problem lah, right? Big trend is a big uptrend. So recently, what happened with this gas Malaysia sideways low, Since year end, last year end until now, you can see they are just trading within the range. Okay, the best opportunity is something happen lah. Okay, this one is during April. Something happened when market crashed down to 393, 375. Okay, this is the only chance okay, you need Donald Trump to help you to push the price down. Okay, currently they back to the normal range. You can see when the market nothing happen, they are just trading within here. So if something bad happen, like a so-called Black Swan event, they only crash down to here. So now nothing happened already. Okay, market seems like back to more certain lah. Okay, so they back to here. Okay, so currently if really nothing happened, if you think nothing happened already, your immediate support is a 411, 412 level. If you think, okay, Donald Trump will catch out again, then you wait low, 393, 4 ringgit, or 375. Okay, it's a spot for you to wait lah. Okay, so how about the Tanko? Hey, these counters usually I don't like one because for me it's quite the movement is very fake lah. Okay, but so far, okay, you can see they do the uptrend already up for so long already Okay, although on and off they will have a crash down lah, but on the bigger trend they do this uptrend already for a couple of years already If we see somewhere around maybe 2022 until now, about 3 to 4 years already. So yeah, I don't know what they want to do, but seems like they keep on going up. I would say this is more like a bubble lah. Okay, as long as they got a fresh fund go in, then the price still get able to support it, then they still push out further. So far the bubble is bigger and bigger and yet to pop lah. Okay, still alright. Okay, technical point of view is still alright. So for here maybe you turn on 80 cents cannot break down 80 cents below 80 cents memang tak cantik lah. Okay, if you bought from bottom, okay, very early stage punya, then I think no problem lah. You can just enjoy the ride. Okay, but if you just plan to go in, then not so suggest lah. A bit not so wise to go in. Okay, how about the DNO? Okay, also tak begitu cantik as they already broken down below 128. Okay, now take note on the support zone. Okay, 120, which is a current price, and the 115. Okay, but for me, what I see here, they are still weak leh. I yet to see any convincing candle come in yet. Okay, AGMO we covered already. Saipak favor to bull or bear? Bull. Okay, CMSB. Okay, CMSB is still alright. Okay, we also need to have a how to say last defense lah. Okay, what we can see on this CMSB, okay, since April. Push up, sideways, push up. Now in the sideways zone. Okay, what happened now? They are supported very well at 115, 117, resisted 128, 130. So they are still in a sideways zone. So for them to move further, they need to break through. Okay, but if they break down, no game. Okay, that's simple lah. Below 115, cantik lah. So at the moment, I would say the momentum CMSB. Okay, momentum is still favored to the bull, so still alright. Okay, still alright. Ramzo. Oh, very king, this one. Close eyes. No need to see technical. They keep on going up. saja lah. Okay, so this one so far so good. Okay, you only take note on the recent resistance on 920 level only. Okay, so far so good lah. But I noticed the average trading volume is getting lower. Oh, you can see the May the trading volume macam tak begitu banyak if compared with here. Okay, you can see here is very a lot. Here lesser but acceptable. Here very less. Okay, so is it the indication that lesser people willing to buy at a higher price now? Okay, but technically I would say they are still very strong lah. But just a slight divergence. Okay, just maybe a warning for us that maybe not many people want to buy at a higher price already. Maybe harder for them to go up further. Okay, this is just a sign lah. Okay, how about the MMAG? Neutral lah. Okay, still okay. 60 cents above 60 cents still okay. Below 60 cents tak cantik. But I personally not really like these charts lah. I feel a bit ugly lah. But okay, you can see 2024. Okay, they started this project lah. Okay, during May, what happened? They shoot up. May shoot up until November, so about half year lah. Okay, shoot up again, sideways for 1 or 2 months, shoot up again, sideways for a few months, shoot up again, sideways for a few months. Okay, so far you can see the ladder is still going up. Okay, as long as they didn't break below. Okay, if they break below means they macam coming down macam inilah. Okay, so I would say so long above 60 cents, the structure is still okay. Okay, SIPA, I would say worth to monitor due to the price. Okay, they push up very strongly. So what I want to see is the next couple of weeks, if they can sideways and sustain very well, I think it's still worth to monitor. And currently the price is above all moving averages, so momentum is there. Okay, momentum is there. Okay, so how about the Tang Chong tak cantik lah this one, already broken down 490, tak boleh already. Next support is a 40 cents level lah. Okay, how about this Xiaocon? Xiaocon is still okay leh. Okay, just that not much volume. Okay, as you can see, they already sideways for so long already, not really move anywhere. Okay, they only one bit up, one bit down every day. Okay, boring lah. Okay, so this one Tanjong, not Tanjong, Xiaocon, take note on 30 cents. Okay, if happen, okay, one day, okay, they close below 30 cents. Okay, example, they close at 290 like that, then most likely tak cantik already lah. So hopefully they can sustain above 30 cents. Otherwise tak cantik lah. Okay, so tentatively overall market sentiment, I would say it's more on a mixed sentiment and a little bit uncertain. Okay, not very bearish or crashing, but also not bullish. Okay, so I would say market is more on a mixed sentiment. Okay, so maybe this will shy away some traders. Okay, maybe. Okay, CIMB we just cover already or not? I think CIMB yet for me not so strong, but I think previous review I mentioned before, CIMB they need to stay above 680. Okay, they need to stay above 680, otherwise tak cantik. Okay, but if we based on the bigger pictures, I a bit worried on them lah. Okay, because they have a triple top here, breakdown, break 200 MAs. Okay, and they do test a 628 bounce up. Okay, recently macam no strength already come back down. Okay, for me, I am a little bit worried about the CIMB performance, but at the moment, take note on 680 as their immediate support. Okay, if they break down, I think maybe they will have a deeper correction. Okay, and VS just now we covered already. So as mentioned before, because yesterday they broke down below 795, but today made a comeback. So this is a for candlestick pattern. This is a bullish harami lah, a bearish candle with a bullish candle. Okay, it's a potential rebound signal. Okay, but they need volumes lah. If today comes with higher volume, then the success rate will be higher, the probability will be higher, and yeah, hopefully they can go through 815 lah. Otherwise, susah. Okay, Petronas Camilo cover already, DNO cover already. We go for the JF tag lah. Also susah leh JF tag. Okay, ini cross down already. Okay, JF tag they broken down below the 460 470 leh. Then currently they are resisted by 460 470. Okay, so for me overall tak begitu strong lah. Okay, tak begitu strong. Okay, DNO and Petronas Chemical just now cover already, also not so strong. Okay, you can scroll back lah. Okay, because we overrun already. Okay, so for this one is they know on 440 lor, huh? If they break down, memang tak cantik lah. Okay, HSI we also cover already. Okay, HSI I would say they are still strong lah, still strong. Okay, 9988. Okay, the only thing we need to aware is the high is getting lower here. Okay, but good is they are still above 200 MAs. So maybe we trade this as maybe a correction. Okay, and I think previously do mention before 114 has to hold lah. So far they are still stay above 114. So see how it's going. Okay, even they drop to 105, I would say still okay, still boleh. Still manageable lah, still boleh tahan lah. I see if 100 can lah. Yeah, 100 also can lah. Psychology level also mah. Okay, 94, 91, maybe I delete already. Okay, maybe I put at 100. Okay, best if they can stay above 114. Okay, would be good for them lah. Okay, but if they break down, never mind. We turn on 100. Okay, otherwise you can see this would be a so-called triangle lah. If they stay above 100, the triangle is still valid. But if they break below 100, this triangle is invalid already. Okay, overall tak begitu cantik, and also it's a psychology level 100, right? So, let's see. Okay, let's see whether they want to stay 114 or 100. Okay, back to the HSI lah, last one. Let's see, where is the HSI? Okay, HSI, I would say they are still strong as a two important level, 23K, 22.5K. So far supported well. Okay, only take note when they near 24K. Okay, this is a crucial resistance that at the moment. Okay, if they can break through 24K, then previous high already, which is somewhere around 24.7K. Okay, but we don't know whether this Friday or on the way to Friday got any bad news or not. Okay, tentatively I think market is still okay with those news, but we don't know any U-turn or anything happened before Friday or after Friday. Okay, so take note on the resistance lah. Okay, and so long above 22.5K, I would say the short-term momentum all is still alright. Okay, so yep, that's all for tonight, and thank you Sifu for having me here. If you yet to download Sifu apps, they are available at the iOS and the Google Play Store, and also they do have an interactive live chat. For those who need a live chat, you may subscribe to their services. Okay, and yeah, if you yet to join my Telegram, you may screenshot this QR code and later you click to join lah. Okay, I will share those counters that I think they have a good structure and worth to monitor for the next couple of days lah. Okay, so that's all for tonight, and thank you everyone. See you next week. Okay, thank you everyone.